Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kaju wine. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 kilograms of fresh, clean cashew fruits. For sweetness and alcohol content, prepare 500 grams of sugar. We'll also use 3 liters of sterilized water to ensure a clean fermentation. Finally, make sure you have 5 grams of fruit cider wine yeast, which is crucial for converting the sugars into alcohol. These simple items are the foundation for your delicious homemade cashew wine. Now, let's prepare the cashew fruits. Begin by thoroughly washing and cleaning your cashew fruits, then cut them into small, manageable pieces. Next, you'll need to press the fruit to extract as much juice as possible. You can use a juicer or simply squeeze by hand. After extraction, strain the juice through a clean cheesecloth or fine mesh bag to remove any pulp or solids, ensuring a clear base for your wine. This step is vital for a smooth final product. With your juice ready, it's time for fermentation. In a clean, sanitized fermentation vessel, combine the extracted cashew juice, the 500 grams of sugar, and the 5 grams of fruit cider wine yeast. Stir gently to ensure everything is well mixed. Then, seal the vessel tightly with an airlock, which allows carbon dioxide to escape without letting contaminants in. Place your fermenter in a cool, dark place and let it ferment for approximately 7 to 12 days at room temperature. Once fermentation is complete, it's time to refine your wine. Carefully filter the fermented liquid through a clean mesh cloth to remove any remaining sediment. For the best flavor, age your cashew wine for at least 2 months in a cool, dark place. This allows the flavors to mellow and develop complexity. Serve your homemade cashew wine chilled and enjoy the unique taste. And hey, while you're waiting for your wine to age, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.